Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you what I have in my work bag. This bag is made by Aldo and the name is Treskerby. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, hit the like button and turn on your notification bell. So this is the first item in my work bag. It's my sunshade. I use it to protect my eyes from the sun rays and then to shield my eyes from getting dark circles. The next item in my bag is my work eyeglass. I use it to work on the system, that's a computer, or you can call it laptop. Because the next item in my bag is my organizer. A very vital item. I can't go a day without it. I use it to jot down things I need to do, and maybe the work I'm given in the office, maybe if I have to multitask, I use it to write it down so that I don't forget anything I need to do. Even to jot down the things I need to get from the mall, maybe after work I need to stop by the mall to pick up some items. Then I also use it to jot down things I need to do for the week. Okay, I start by my to-do list for the month, then I break them down to weekly and then daily. By so doing, it helps me to get very productive, and then so that I don't miss out on the things I need to do. And then I also use it to jot down maybe if I need to call someone, or maybe I need to return a call, reply a mail, or reply a text and all that, or fix a meeting. This is very important. Okay, the next item in my bag is my phone, of course. In our time and this generation, of course, nobody goes out without their phone. And this phone have served me so much. It's a Samsung Galaxy A70. This item in my work bag is my card organizer. I use it, as you can see, I have a lot of cards here. I have my credit cards, I have my work ID, I have my voter's card, my driver's license, and then some complimentary cards, of course. Alright, so we move on to the next item, which is my hand cream. I use it to keep my palm moisturized, because sometimes, like maybe in the Harmattan season, your hands can be ashy, white, dry, but with my hand cream I keep my palm moisturized. And the next item in my work bag is my Wi-Fi from MTN. I had to go for this one because it works best. MTN network works best around my area where I work and in my house. Alright, so please kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. And okay, so the next item I have in my work bag is my organizer. This organizer is very special to me. It means so much to me. I got it as a free gift from Clarence in Dubai when I went for vacation last year. I bought some items from Clarence shop at I think that should be Dubai Mall or Mall of Emirates. So they gave me this bag and so many other free gifts. So I use it to organize my go-to items in my work bag. It has really served me and it will keep serving me. Alright, so let's proceed to what I have in my Clarence free bag I use as an organizer for my work bag. So in this bag I have my face mask, of course. Also, going back to 2020, when we had the COVID-19 pandemic, we came to realize the importance of having a face mask. Then I have my wipes. I don't go out without my wipes. I use it to clean, maybe if I want to sit down and there is dust, I use it to clean it off. Maybe if I eat, I use it to clean and I don't have access to water and soap, I use it to clean my hands. And maybe my shoe, if there is dust, I use it to clean. It really helps me to stay put and together during the work hours. Then I have my Paloma Classic Super Soft Tissue. As a lady, I highly recommend. We all know when you use the loo, or when you use the restroom, or when you want to powder your nose, this comes in handy. So instead of carrying the big pepper roll, with this we are good to go. It really enters your work bag. The next item in my work bag, of course, is my car key. Yes, I drive to work, and definitely I should have my car key in my work bag. Then the next item is my lip moisturizer. This one is from Pretty, but it's called Pretty Moisturizing Lip Balm, citrus flavor. They have aloe vera and I think another flavor. I really like this one because of the fragrance. Sorry, 2 seconds. Because of the fragrance, I really love it. The aloe vera one smells nice too. The color is green, but I think I lean towards yellow colors more than green. Alright, so the next is my lip moisturizer, but it has color also, from Elizabeth Arden. I got it as a free gift from NG Fragrance on Instagram. She dashed me this lip balm. Very nice. Then I have my hairband. As a lady, I highly recommend that you have your spare hairband in your work bag, just in case the one you have on your hair cuts. You use this one to keep your hair in place. By so doing, you look put together. Then the next thing I have in my work bag is my Clarins mascara. Actually, this one is not a must. I must not have it, but I am a fan of mascara. I don't wear false lashes, but with my mascara, I get my natural eyebrow. What is it even called again? You guys know. Use it to brush it up, and it makes it look full. Then I have my handkerchief. Of course, maybe if I'm sweating, I use it to dab my face and get the sweat off. Then I have, very important, I have my perfume, by the most favorite of them all. I have like many perfumes, but this one, oh, it smells so nice. It's from YSL, this Saint Laurent. The name is Sleep Intense. I highly recommend this perfume. It's a sweet perfume. It has honey base, has vanilla. It's woody, kind of. It's woody. Some people say it's unisex, like it can be used by men, it can be used by women, and I think I agree with that. So it has like three flankers. This one is the Intense. Then it has the lip with the Perfume. Then it has the another one, I can't remember the name, but this one seems to be the one I like best, and I like to have it. But it lasts. No, because I have it in my work bag doesn't mean it doesn't last. No, it lasts, but I like to do some touch up just in case, you know. Then the last but not the least, but very important one. I know many ladies will not remember, or even guys will not remember to have this in their work bag, and I feel this is also one of the essence of having a video like this, to remind us what we should or what we can have in our work bag, and that is a toothpick. Yes, I highly recommend that you have a toothpick in your work bag. By so doing, like if you are someone like me that goes to work with lunch pack, or you're someone that eats out during work hour, maybe during break time, imagine coming back to the office with vegetable hanging in between your teeth, or maybe you ate a goosey soup or whatever, and you have them in between your teeth. No, that doesn't look nice. That wouldn't look professional, you know. So, but with your toothpick, you just pick them out and you still look put together.